Imagine a world where time stands still. For over 70 years, one silhouette has defined the pinnacle of photography. It's not just a camera, it's a mechanical heart. It's the tool of revolutionaries, the witness to history, and the ultimate status symbol for the discerning eye. We are talking about the Leica M system. Since the M3 debuted in 1954, the formula hasn't changed much. You have a box, a lens, and a rangefinder. It's tactile, it's difficult, and it's perfect. But as we sit here in 2026, a storm is brewing in Wetzlar, Germany. The purists are nervous. The tech enthusiasts are salivating. And the rest of the world is asking one question. Can Leica modernize the M system without killing its soul? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Welcome to the definitive breakdown of the Leica M12. This isn't just another camera release. This is a crossroads. If the leaks from the 2026 supply chain and the whispers from the Leica Society are even 10% accurate, the M12 is about to break every rule in the Leica playbook. We are talking about an in-house developed 70-megapixel sensor that ditches Sony silicon for German engineering. We are talking about the blasphemy of in-body image stabilization in a rangefinder. And we are talking about a hybrid viewfinder that might finally bridge the gap between the 1950s and the 2030s. If you've been saving your pennies for an M11, or if you're a film shooter wondering if digital has finally caught up to the Leica look, you need to stay until the end. Because the M12 isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution that some will call a masterpiece, and others will call a betrayal. Let's start with the heart of the image, the sensor. For the last few generations, Leica has relied on sensors from Sony, customized with their own microlenses. It worked, but it always felt a little off the shelf for a brand that charges $9,000 for a body. In 2026, the M12 is reportedly debuting Leica's first truly proprietary full-frame sensor, developed in-house over the last 5 years. Why is this a big deal for the USA market? Because it's about the look. Leica shooters don't want clinical perfection, they want character. This new sensor is rumored to be a 70-megapixel BSI, back-illuminated, beast, but with a twist. It uses a triple-resolution technology similar to the M11, but refined. You can shoot at 70 MP for landscape and studio work, 35 MP for that sweet spot of speed and detail, or 18 MP for incredible low-light performance with massive dynamic range. But the real secret sauce is color science. Leica has allegedly tuned this sensor to mimic the micro-contrast and tonal transitions of their legendary M6 film stocks. It's digital convenience with a chemical soul. But here is where the controversy begins. IBIS. In-body image stabilization. For years, Leica executives said it was impossible. They said the M-body was too thin. They said the mechanical rangefinder assembly didn't leave enough room for a floating sensor. But in 2026, the impossible has reportedly been achieved. The M12 is rumored to feature a specialized, ultra-compact 3-axis stabilization system. For the street photographer in New York or the documentary filmmaker in LA, this changes everything. Imagine shooting a handheld shot at 1/2 a second at night, and it's tack sharp. Imagine using your